This lesson is part of our 5th grade Earth Science Unit, Earth and Space Systems. Our learning target for this lesson is to identify the 4 major systems of the Earth and describe how they interact with each other. You will be able to give examples of the types of things that make up the Earth's 4 major systems. First, we will learn about the geosphere. Geo means Earth. The Earth's geosphere, sometimes called the lithosphere, is the portion of the Earth that includes rocks and minerals. It starts at the ground and extends all the way down to Earth's core or center. We rely on the geosphere to provide natural resources and a place to grow food. Volcanoes, mountain ranges, and deserts are all part of the geosphere. Put simply, without the geosphere, there would be no Earth. Earth's water makes up the hydrosphere. Hydro means water. The hydrosphere includes the oceans, rivers, lakes, groundwater, and water frozen in glaciers. 97% of water on Earth is found in the oceans. Water is one of the most important substances needed for life and makes up about 90% of living things. Without water, life would not be possible. Earth's air makes up the atmosphere. Atmos means air. The atmosphere includes all the gases surrounding the Earth. We often call the atmosphere air. All planets have an atmosphere, but Earth is the only planet in our solar system with the correct combination of gases to support life. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers and is responsible for Earth's weather. Even though it seems like air is made of nothing, it consists of particles too small to be seen. All these particles have weight that push down on Earth. The weight of the air above us is called air pressure. Earth's living things make up the biosphere. Bio means life. The biosphere is made up of all the living things on Earth, and it includes fish, birds, plants, and even people. The living portion of the Earth interacts with all the other spheres. Living things need water, hydrosphere, chemicals from the atmosphere, and nutrients gained by eating things in the biosphere. The 4 spheres all interact with each other. The spheres interact to affect Earth's systems and processes, and they are constantly changing each other. For example, ocean currents, the hydrosphere, affect air temperature, the atmosphere. The Gulf Stream is a powerful water current in the Atlantic Ocean. Its warm water moderates the temperatures on the east coast of the USA. Another example of how the spheres affect each other is through erosion. Erosion happens in the desert when wind, the atmosphere, shapes the sand in the geosphere. Water, the hydrosphere, can also shape land, such as in the formation of the Grand Canyon. Humans have a huge impact on all the spheres. Negative impacts, such as burning fossil fuels, pollute the atmosphere. Piling up our waste in landfills affects the geosphere. Pumping waste into the oceans harms the hydrosphere. And overfishing and habitat destruction can reduce the diversity of living things in the biosphere. However, people everywhere are working to change things. Recycling efforts are increasing all over the world, and companies are finding new ways to reduce fossil fuels. In the U.S. alone, people are recycling 6 times more than a generation ago. Let's review our learning target. Choose the word that best completes each sentence. Volcanoes, mountains, and deserts are all part of the Earth's. The correct answer is D, geosphere. Number 2, fish, birds, plants, and people are part of the Earth's. The correct answer is E, biosphere. Number 3, oceans, rivers, lakes, groundwater, and glaciers are part of the Earth's. The correct answer is A, hydrosphere. Number 4, The layers of gases that surround the Earth make up the Earth's. The correct answer is B, atmosphere. And finally, number 5, an example of how the atmosphere and hydrosphere change the geosphere is. The correct answer is C, erosion. You may rewatch the slide presentation, or you can click next if you are ready to take the quiz.